Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have this ML 350. This is a W164 chassis 2006 model, and I'm just gonna show you how you can reset, not that message that will be on the next video, but I'm gonna show you how to reset the run flat tire indicator that comes up. If you have had a flat tire or something like that, you may get this message: check tires, then reactivate run flat indicator. So what I would say is, the first thing that you need to do is check the tire pressures on all your tires all around. And you can also find, if you go to the fuel flap here, in here it shows you what pressures you should have. So if you're carrying 3 people and a bit of luggage, say, for the front it suggests 2.2 bar or 32 psi, and for the back it suggests the same. However, if you have a full car, 5 people, lots of luggage, then it suggests you to put 2.3 bar, which is 34 psi for the front, and for the rear 2.7 bar, 39 psi. So usually when somebody's taking people to the airport, they do that, but then when you come back home and you're gonna use the car regularly as normal, then you're gonna go down to normal pressures. So once you made sure you have the correct pressures all around, so if you have a puncture, for example, on one of the tires, one tire goes down, and then the run flat indicator comes on. So this is what happened to me. So anyway, I checked all my tires now, they're all okay. Obviously you open the valves and you put the air in, and then what we need to do is we come to the car. Well, make sure the mileage is showing. We're gonna put the ignition on, and then with this arrow here, if you go up on that arrow, it says check tires, then reactivate run flat indicator. So click on that. If you click on that, it will take you to the mileage. If you click on that again, it will take you to the run flat activation. So if you press on the plus button here, as it's shown in there, it says tire pressure okay now, and then you press the plus button again to go to yes, and that will restart the system, and you're pretty much done. So now you just have to go back to the mileage there, and obviously now the car is going to monitor your tires from the pressures that you put in, and that should be it. You shouldn't really get that message anymore. I have the service C showing there, which is the next it's gonna be the next video. So anyway, I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.